For growing SaaS companies and cloud native businesses, meeting security compliance standards like SOC 2, ISO 27001, HIPAA, or GDPR isn't just about checking a box. It's about building customer trust and accelerating growth. But traditional compliance methods are time consuming, confusing, and often require massive manual effort. That's where Sprinto comes in. Sprinto is a modern compliance automation platform designed to help teams implement and maintain security frameworks with speed and confidence. From automated evidence collection to real-time monitoring and streamlined audits, Sprinto helps you go from reactive to proactive when it comes to compliance. In this video, we'll walk through how Sprinto works, break down its key features, and explain why it's one of the best platforms for achieving and maintaining compliance efficiently in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is its automated compliance frameworks. Sprinto provides ready-to-use, pre-mapped workflows for compliance frameworks like SOC 2, ISO 27001, PCI-DSS, HIPAA, GDPR, and more. Once you select a framework, the platform tailors requirements based on your tech stack and company profile. Tasks are automatically assigned to relevant stakeholders, complete with due dates and step-by-step instructions. This feature eliminates guesswork, dramatically reduces the time to get audit ready, and ensures you're always following a structured, foolproof path to compliance. Another key feature is the continuous monitoring of security controls. Sprinto integrates with cloud tools such as AWS, Azure, Google Workspace, GitHub, and Okta to monitor key security settings and behaviors in real time. It flags any non-compliant configurations or risky activity like missing multi-factor authentication or unencrypted databases, so you can address issues before they escalate. This continuous monitoring ensures your systems remain secure year-round, not just right before an audit. This builds long-term operational discipline while giving stakeholders peace of mind. Another key feature is the automated evidence collection and mapping. Sprinto automatically collects logs, access reports, permission settings, encryption data, and more, then maps them to the correct compliance controls. Instead of gathering screenshots and spreadsheets manually, you can generate a full evidence library with minimal effort. The evidence automation saves countless hours across engineering, IT, and security teams and ensures consistency and accuracy. It's especially helpful when managing multiple frameworks or undergoing annual audits. Another key feature is the real-time dashboards and audit reports. The platform's real-time dashboard gives you a clear view of your current compliance posture. You can see what's completed, what's pending, and what needs immediate attention. When it's time for an audit, Sprinto generates auditor-ready reports and even provides a dedicated portal to collaborate with your auditor directly. With visual progress tracking and tailored audit exports, audits become a smoother and faster process, leading to quicker certifications and stronger customer confidence. Another key feature is the role-based access control and collaboration tools. Sprinto lets you assign tasks and roles across departments, whether that's engineering, HR, legal, or compliance. You can set who can see or act on what, track task progress, and ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. This structure enhances cross-functional collaboration without risking sensitive data exposure, making compliance a shared, transparent effort instead of a siloed task. So why is Sprinto a great choice? Sprinto stands out because it focuses on simplicity, automation, and scale. Unlike traditional GRC tools that require months of setup and external consultants, Sprinto can be implemented quickly and delivers immediate value. Its integrations with the tools you already use reduce friction and eliminate duplicate work. In 2025, companies can't afford to slow down for compliance. Sprinto's continuous monitoring, evidence automation, and customizable workflows enable businesses to maintain a strong compliance posture while staying agile. Whether you're pursuing your first SOC 2 certification or expanding into multiple global frameworks, Sprinto grows with your business. It also offers strong customer support and constantly rolls out product updates based on user feedback. That level of responsiveness is crucial for fast-moving teams working under pressure to pass audits and secure deals. Sprinto doesn't just help you check boxes. It transforms compliance into a streamlined, integrated business process. So basically, Sprinto is the all-in-one solution modern teams need to achieve and sustain security compliance without wasting time or resources. Its automation-first approach helps you reduce manual work, avoid costly errors, and pass audits faster, while giving you full visibility into your organization's security posture. So if you're serious about scaling securely, meeting customer requirements, and maintaining audit readiness throughout the year, Sprinto offers the tools and structure to make compliance a strength and not a stressor. So start using Sprinto today to simplify your compliance workflows, improve team coordination, and stay ahead of evolving security standards in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.